State angkang pipen 6 year dollar lo keso ki dua tumaphan arona tengpen voreng ang hoi ki pija phan sodak pen pinpur lo ki pi ki pajira long jongpon advertisement ni kep ki pang dakalar chiklo jona phan ki pang dak thujia phan jongdun voreng ang hoi ki papleng jia phan sarkar pen ki phalu angkang pi ki pang dak along 6 year dollar lo ki do keso dom phan jasemet karbi tiwa dimasa khasi lahe hui tumaphan state arona tengpen aning ki hangaling nang ki klempen nang ki langrobji aronawe India derangkang pi ki pangri arlo Indian Constitution na tengpen 6 schedule phan aja kong ki pi paragraph 12 1a teng plote state angkang pi along voreng hoi ki pangdak advertisement ki pi 6 schedule plote aphan thedum aja kong ki pi ki panong along che jok dunong de 6 schedule along ki tokdak arona tengsi klemnangji The Assam Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Reservation of Vacancies in Services and Posts Act 1978 in Act of State Legislature ki toka tengsi Karbi Anglong ki parlo West Karbi Anglong sitami isive taron tengsi claim nangji emithang edere longri ki chari ponja phan 6 schedule jakong ipidet pen jakong chichini ne plutang te kedamtang bang pharohini ra krep phong bong pen Karbi nutvet luthan bangang hoi kilong tun chora somsi mandet pu pumathasi All Party Hills Leader Conference Tihek Pen APHLC Pen Patir Piponsi Jasemet Lakha Inkoi Votha Langso LA Constituency APHLC Meipu Bikram Hansila Pen APHLC Clem Sebatung Pen West Karbi Anglong DC Hen Pen Kipangdak Contractual Basis Pen Forest Rights Act FRA Coordinator Pen MIS Program FRA Associate FRA Advertisement Kipi West Karbi Anglong District Commissioner Website along Nikep Vet Abahatum Chikroidun Thek Ke Komnei sitami chiklo jonan bak apor ki pija phan pinpur long jongdun lo All Party Hills Leader Conference APHLC long thegre muchot khe long ria pharman thier thip ka chisong pen 6 schedule ron along ke tok dak ja kong ateng ki long je phan sodak pinpur lo additional district magistrate Himadri Sekhar Bordoloi ACS ring pipa jer tekang si lamthi pachini pon Pinpur lo ki pajira long ki tok pon alam thian parta khe so phan state sarkar pen ki ber the paputhak lakhain koi votha langso LA constituency me phu Bikram Hanselam thi tangte arjuik senang
tum puthot West Karbi Anglong DC office ahem asai hemlong nangapali nangko bangala henlo non ke damtang chiklo lo October 17 ani la isi advertisement paklang do DC office pen West Karbi Anglong pen isi advertisement paklang do labangso advertisement long abangke woreng warsai pansi paklang woreng warsai ang hoi lake coordinator FRA cell Forest Right Act implement japan dak woreng warsai non pipon lo lake ang hoi men lake coordinator lapena dak adormha mate bainong toklo 35,000 lapena qualification kado with master in social science or social work knowledge on computer donangi experience minimum 5 years bulo lapen arta tame ningkan thongke rapo pena burning busidak toklo lason taksi adunthua post lake MIS mate program FRA phanolata lasi lahini ang hoya post dak paklang lo kapaklang lake 17 October an isi DC office a website pen paklang ponlo sita isia boreng website paklang blo tamte la DC website long paklang chot ke chokche local area long local newspaper regional language along pen chenglok kaduk with ame pangdak poneng busi niltum pulo la pen 17 October pen pini ke last date puri long lo nike bansi adek picho la sikupine worenga warsai pan lon itum thegnong long 30 days mate chiklo jon la sona por ki bi thekon long lo ita itum da ke thekon long ke dake non ke only 10 days mate nike vet la sinil tum DC sahab pan pini la memorandum mate nitum submission kipi tekang lo lapen labang so a submission kopi put hagma nilipukang po a subject lake strong representation for restricting eligibility for contractual posts at the district FRA cell West Karbi Anglong to local scheduled tribe candidates only nilitum pulo ilitum dak la FRA mate Forest Right Act ta tribal atum forest angkang arlo kido un ajakong halai hui ke lang je pansi labang so ain ge kasemar
Hamren Ben Daniel Hi Karbi Anglong live